Fellow Nigerians, I feel bitter. I feel trust change. I feel defrauded. Somebody owns 10 houses in the UK, owns 5 in the US, 9 in Dubai, owns this in this state, owns that in this state. You don't even own one. And you're campaigning for him when he's running for governor or senator or president. There's no other definition of madness. We must wake up to civic responsibility to the state and say, no, our votes must count in 2023. We must make a change. When we say vote wisely, this is what we mean. We must go beyond ethnicity, religion, and regionalism. A new Nigeria is possible, and that's what we're saying. Vote wisely. It's no time for monkey game anymore.
Listen to all of us are going to have a well-written manifesto, a well-written document we will read out, a well-written this. But what we are saying now is, who among us will you trust? It is a trust issue. Who among us will you trust? We want a character we can trust next year. Who is more competent? Election next year must be on character we can trust. It must be incompetence. It must be incapacity and commitment to start doing the right thing for the first day. We must stop this abuse of our country based on pre-modern excuses. It is hurting us, and we will take a just revenge on our children. Thank you, and God bless you.
Thank you. This is against the ground rule. Our ground rule has been violated. Our distinguished speaker, we appreciate you. And we thank you for this wonderful session. Let me now hand over to the panel.
Are you batified?
Fully. Seriously.
Are you batified?
I said seriously.
You are batified.
Seriously, sir.
That's it. candle. Are you batified?
100%.
Are you batified?
Yes, sir.
Will you vote for the bat?
Yes, sir. 100%.
Are you batified?
Okay. If it is batification, then I am more than batified.
Because Mr. Speaker is the grandfather of batification.
Or batification.
Honorable Baja Amila, that's what is the grandfather. Yes. From his head to his toe, to his wings,
Yes.
to his everywhere.
Yes, sir.
Baja Amila is
Batified.
so we are all
Batified.
We are all
Batified.
Are you not batified?
I am fully batified.
Tell the former governor.
Let me even say it.
More batified.
Kete Ekiti.
Kete Ekiti.
Our batified total. Seriously batified.
Total.
Madam, are you batified?
Very well, sir.
Very good. So,
Ladies and gentlemen, as far as I'm concerned, I'm a passing message. At 94, how many of my age group are alive? But we must warn you people. You can't have a united country where you discriminate against a section of the country. If you want us to separate, let us separate in peace. You can't say we are together and you discriminate against that. But people get there and discriminate. We know all the force of what we need. All the claims that we are alleging against Obi as an Igbo and all that. Many of them were allegations before Obi himself was born. I am in the position to know that. But that is not the issue now. All those are things of the past. The man who can hold the country today forward in unity. That's only there. That is running man there, fantastic fellow, intelligent, hardworking, progressive. It's not the question whether it's Fulani or not. You look at their criteria, their category. They are not people who make money by government contracts. You know, we go there when we get to the election. Obi is the man to unite the country. Obi is the man to say, you are whether you are Igbo or Hausa, it doesn't matter. What is matter is that the stress of Nigeria. And if anybody listens to me, unfortunately, how many of you are remaining? The type of Nigeria that we fought for is the only Obi that can carry it out and it's running mate. They can see to the future. All the past misdeeds and all that, forget it. We want to move forward. Obi's administration is not only changing the personnel, we want to change the system. We are the talkers that being a governor without being a millionaire. They look at what this country is.